Again, a very important, super important indicator. Why? This is an oscillator. Oscillator means like a pendulum, moves in a range. Okay? But RSI tells us the speed at which things are going to happen. Everyone pay attention. MACD will tell us the direction. RSI will tell us the speed. If you want to write down, because it's a very important sentence that I said. MACD will show us the what? Direction. And RSI can also focus on the, RSI actually can tell us both. Can also tell us the direction and can also tell us the speed. But more importance for RSI is given for speed because by the way, I'm not sure whether I've written this. So it's also called as a momentum indicator. Momentum indicator. Tells us the momentum, how strong the momentum is, how weak the momentum is. Okay? Now typically what happens is that RSI, as I mentioned, it's like a pendulum. Okay? And as per the old theory, so it will go between the range of 0 to 100. Agreed. Okay, that's a pendulum. But then we are not interested in calculation. I hope 100 minus 100 divided by 1. You want to answer? Thank you. Okay. Now let us come to the interpretation part. Again, where do you see RSI? On the price chart or below the price chart? Below the price chart. Okay. So directly take light example only, na? That'll be better. So if I were to take out all these, I don't want to get right now. So what do I just hover around this? Cross. MACD I don't want it. Hover around this? Cross. I don't want this big. Okay. Now if I were to have an RSI indicator here. Indicator, what do I type? RSI. Relative Strength Index. Okay. So here again it is updated with all these data points. Let's not go into confusion. I'll suggest that once you press RSI now, see if you see this is an updated one. They have put in so many more data points and which include so much more confusion. So what do you do? I'll just quickly tell you. Go to the settings bar. This is the home screen. Go to style. And in style only keep RSI. Otherwise this RSI based moving average, Bollinger band, upper band, and I can just use black color for this. Okay. Simple. Okay. Now what is this I'll tell you? As per the old RSI theory, I'll tell you first old RSI theory. The momentum is strong and it has from 0 to 100. If you remember, if it goes above 70 indicates overbought. Above 70 indicates overbought, and that is why you'll see some selling pressure, is what the original theory says. And if it is at 30, oversold, it will come up. It's a pendulum. Overbought, oversold. Okay, but that is very old. Okay, works sometimes, doesn't work a lot of times. Instead of that, think logically. I want an answer from everyone. There's a big downtrend. Everyone has to answer. Big downtrend. You see a very clear-cut textbook following style. Number one. You see there's an MACD crossover, and you see that this crossover has happened with good volumes, and you see that a momentum indicator. Momentum means what? Speed. Momentum indicator. Speedometer has gone above 60. Good sign or bad sign? Good sign. And what theory says this is going towards overbought. अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. Okay, so I interpret it in the exact opposite way. If RSI is above 60, it means speedometer is showing 60 ka speed. I am happy with the speed. But now, if I say that there is a MACD bearish crossover, and let us say sideways and nothing good going on, and still RSI is at 60, nearing 60, then it is not good. So I am never going to look at RSI as a standalone parameter. Are you with me? RSI should always be looked in connection with some other points. Minimum MACD, RSI plus MACD, minimum. Some cases you can use RSI standalone also, but that is typically downfall. Okay. RSI sometimes standalone can be seen typically when there is a divergence. Now what is a divergence also I tell you. The moving average convergence, divergence kind of a thing. There is something known as an RSI divergence also. I tell that. Okay. So first of all, shall we take some examples? Yes. By the way, what is this? We got on Avanti fits now. Let me also put the MACD indicator. So if you want to write this down, MACD above what? Sorry, RSI above? RSI above 60. Is it a strong momentum or a weak momentum? Strong momentum. And RSI below 60, below 40 is a weak momentum. First write this down, then I'm going to take two more such levels. RSI's strong momentum above 60 is good, but now speed has gone at 80. Ati gai sankatat jai. Overspeeding. What did I read? Speed thrills but kills. True, na? So if RSI is going at 80, then what? Can I say now this can kill? Thrilling speed of 80. I should be like much more cautious right now. Okay? So RSI greater than 80 is wow. History. I can show you tons of examples where in the past we can very easily see that the one is right in front of a screen right now. This is 80 level. It went above 80 and falls down. I can show you tons of examples like this. Out of 10, 8 cases you'll see like this. 1 or 2 can manage the speeding. Otherwise, majority of the cases it will fail. Accident. No, this speed is going beyond limits, and this is so that is like euphoria that is happening maybe right now. Right? She's trying to understand the logic. It is going participation. This, that, no euphoria. It has gone to 80 levels. Smart people are going to get out. That is why it will start cooling down. With me? Yes. So RSI above 80, this can lead to some sort of downfall or correction. It can lead to a downfall, or you can call it as a correction also. So be careful above 80. This is one main point. And if it is going down to somewhere around 20 levels, you can see a nice reversal. This is the flat bottom, rock bottom you can see. So RSI above 20 can be like rock bottom. This is like almost equal to, not always equal to, almost equal to rock bottom. I'll show you now. 1 minute. So now which is this level? Tell me. How can you see RSI for any ranges? Go to the candle. And and down there, here you have to check this area. Can you see RSI 44, 48? Can you see it's changing? I want to check RSI. Just place your cursor here and it will show you latest RSI. What is it? 55 point something. Is it at good level? Going near our target of 60 now? एक बार 60 here it can go up. Now what is happening? What about the MACD? What is it showing? Which stock is this? Avanti Feeds, no? Now what is happening? MACD crossover. RSI at 55.16. This can be a good show. Okay, so what do we need again? We need that this breakout doesn't fail is what we want. Now if I want another confirmation, I can also check. So let's see the volume. Volume is also good, right? This volume is also good. Okay, I also just want to check the pivot ones. Yes, true. But now I'll tell you one thing. See, everyone please check this. My God, too much zoom in. What is the pivot point for this? 455. 455 is definitely going to act as a good support. Pivot is a main magnet point. If you remember, main point. So 455 will not be broken very easily. So seems that there is good conviction here. We can wait for maybe another confirmation candle, and then maybe see. Tomorrow markets are open. Okay, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. Note down Avanti Feeds. Let's see what happens. Okay. It will be a bank holiday, not a market holiday. Market will be open. Traders will go mad if they get so many holidays. Okay, so have you written for RSI? Yes. Now I'll show you some examples also. RSI examples quickly. So here what did we see? RSI greater than 20. So see here you can see below 20 RSI. So below 20 RSI is like almost rock bottom. I will see for some reversal pattern. This is like a hammer. See, like a hammer. And then it has gone up and a little bit of what is this? Retracement, and then bounce. Correct? One more example. 3 white soldiers also there. क्या बात है? Everyone is now. Chalo. One more. This was almost rock bottom. Started going up. What is this level? This is again 80. See from 80. Who is it? From 80 almost reversed. See here. Correct? So majority of the cases you will see like this only. Failure. This was 80. This came down, but price moved up. So can happen this time also. So the case that is the price will go up will be less, but the price is going up. Here the momentum is dropping. RSI is about the speed. Speed is dropping, not necessarily that it will go down only. So along with this you have to check MACD also. That is why I said don't use RSI standalone. You might get confused. I'll show you one standalone example. Wait. Very nice standalone example. Now what you have to do for divergence, you have to control. You have to analyze the higher highs and whatever high points, 2 high points. So ideally tell me price is at this point and price has moved higher. Everyone, price is going up from this point to this point. Don't even look at the chart. You have to answer it very logically. Price has gone from this level to this level. When will you be more happy? I'm going to tell you A or B option. Option A, RSI has gone from this level to this level. Option B, RSI has gone from this level to this level. Guys, call me. One more time. Price has gone from 100 to 150. Wait. Price has gone from 100 to 150. RSI means what? Speed. Speed has also gone from 40 to 60. Scenario A. And scenario B, speed has gone down from 60 to 40. Means what is happening? What is happening in scenario A? Price is moving and that too with good conviction, good speed. Scenario B, price is moving, but the runner is getting tired. Oh, might get a reversal. Are you understanding the logic behind it? Yes? Have a look at this then. Price was going lower. Yes or no? Now this is an ultra example. We talked about price going higher. So price is falling, but the pace at which price is falling. Okay, so ideally, if it is going down, it should have gone down only. Correct? But they are going in the opposite direction. Price is falling, but this price is falling in the RSI space. Here you can see it was almost, which level is this by the way? It's below 20. Almost just at 20. And this was like rock bottom, almost rock bottom. From here, you saw a divergence. And from here, you could see the price moving upwards. Ideally, if they are moving in the same direction, you should be happy with it. If they are going in the opposite direction, they have to stop, there can be a reversal. One more example, this is the one which you can digest much better. Price went from a high to a higher high. But the pace at which it went is low. So can I say this pace might dry out now? So this pace is drying out, and that is the reason why sideways, downfall. Are you getting this? So please understand this. Price goes from high to higher high, but RSI goes from high to low. It means there could be a potential reversal, and whatever cases I've seen for RSI divergence for this, very good success rate. RSI divergence is very strong. So maybe in the coming few blogs, if you can see some RSI divergence in the immediate 2 days, we can try and post that. It will give you more conviction. This is like exertion only, no? She's saying if it is going opposite, can I say it's exertion? Yes, absolutely it is exertion. Price is going higher, but this is getting tired. And that is why it will come down. You want to write this one sentence? One of my favorites, RSI divergence. If you want to just write this one liner, RSI divergence. We'll take this as an example only. Price moves from 1400 to 1600. Price moves from 1400 to 1600, making a higher high. Price moves from 1400 to 1600, making it a higher high. But RSI going down from 70 to 60. RSI going down from 70 to 60. That is RSI makes a higher high or lower high. Everyone? lower high. Have you written higher high for price? And RSI makes a lower high. Clear? Is this a leading indicator? The answer is yes. The divergence one specifically is. Otherwise, finally RSI, if you are saying RSI is taken from the previous 14 days data. Can you see RSI 14? It is calculated using previous 14 days data. So it's not going to be a very leading indicator. It is a little bit lagging indicator only. But I can say this divergence theory works very well, and this acts something like a leading indicator. Especially the divergence theory, not normal RSI. And this I'm talking with experience. In books it might be written lagging also. With experience I'm telling you this is leading. So she's saying assume that RSI is already at 80. I'm not seeing any divergence. Okay, it is still going upward. Then you should trail your stop losses. How to trail stop losses? Tomorrow. No, you can change this. You can very well change this. I'll show you. This range can be changed. I can show you more practical stuff coming up because you might fall short of time. Tomorrow we want to do a little bit more practical stuff.
कुछ नहीं होता है एक टाइम खाना है.
No, you can't see. You can't get directly RSI divergence in the indicator. Direct ready for you. This is the RSI divergence. At least I don't know. If I find, I'll tell you. Again, is this like divergence? Price is going up, but speed is going down. Momentum is going down. And see what happens with the price? Are you with me? Originally price was going up, but the pace at which the momentum is going down, and that is what followed. Price went down. So if you see an RSI divergence at the top, price making higher high. Okay, written that right? Price making higher high, RSI making lower high. What will happen? Have you written the result? Arey yaar, what will happen? This may lead to a potential downfall, or this may lead to a downfall. This may lead to a downfall. Where is? Bullish divergence, bearish divergence. Yes. Have you understood this? Yes. Yes. Yes, I know. Okay, many failures. You find failures everywhere. MACD failure. Now let us take this point. This point. She's asking for the MACD failure. Can you see that there is a bullish crossover here? And if I were to take it somewhere here, yes, no, horizontal, I mean vertical line. So ideally I should have taken a, and it has gone down or sideways. Okay? Simple. Now tell me one thing logically, that if the price is moving in this range for a long time, and suddenly there is a breakout from this, can I say this can be a very amazing buying point? Correct? We have said this, no? Breakout point this is. Correct? Now instead of using the word only breakout, we use Bollinger band, squeeze, and breakout. So now it's an indicator. Meene banola. He's saying, why don't you call it only a normal breakout? Why do you want to make it so much complicated? Because it was created by John Bollinger. And Mr. Bollinger said the indicator has to be in my name. In the 1980s, pretty much recent, isn't it? Because till date we have been talking about Japanese style, 1800 something, then the Dow Jones also again 1800 something, 1980s. He recently passed away, no? 21 in last year. Last year Mr. John Bollinger passed away. Itna fresh. Okay, this one. This is comparatively a newer theory, okay? Right. So what did Mr. John Bollinger say? That when the prices move, it is more or less like an average, and it will move in a 2x. Average ka 2x, it will go up and then down. So my teacher used to call that as a snake in a tunnel. And this is the snake. It will go up and down, and then up and down. Snake in a tunnel. In simple words, sideways trend. Okay. But once it breaks out, that will be good. Okay. So all these again learned people, simple: sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. So easy stock market, sell, buy. Khatam. Okay. Can this work for stocks which are in sideways for eternity? Can Bollinger Band work out for ITC? Yes, they can. Shall we try and check it? So basically what is Bollinger Band? Let me tell you. This you will see something like kind of an average here. And it's average cut 2x upwards, 2x downward. No, that's not average. What is that? Standard deviation. Standard deviation. Okay, standard deviation cut 2x, 2x. So in simple words, the price will not deviate a lot from the standard deviation. Mathematics, statistics. It's okay. Shall we see some charts? Alright. So let us close everything now. Let's close pivot. This is much better. We want to check ITC.